I just had a member reach out to me and say, I just started a brand new landscaping business and I wanted to get the listings engine to be able to get out to all the different networks, but I don't have a logo. And we're like, well, you have to have a logo to be able to get out to some networks. So we were going through, we were talking about, and I said, I wonder how fast we could design a logo inside of ChatGPT to be able to get them a landscaping business. So we're going to call it my business. We're going to say, please think like a designer, and branding expert. And I can't spell when I hop on any videos whatsoever. It happens every single time. Absolutely kicks my butt. So please think like a designer and branding expert. Can you please, and I like to be polite because I think I get more out of it and it does better. Some say it doesn't work that way. I personally think it is. Can you please create a logo for my brand new company called, let's call it the marketing. Actually, let's just say the landscaping guru. I do lawn mowing and basic maintenance tasks. Okay, that's what I'm going to put into ChatGPT. And it's going to think about it for a minute, and it's going to go through and it's going to process it. Now, do I think this is the best way of being able to get a logo that's going to be forever, to be able to do screen printing or do any of those things? Maybe. But it gives you a starting place. So if you're if you don't have one, this is better than nothing. And you can go through it and you can do this over and over and over again until you get something that you like out of there. This is where, all these different AIs are coming out with so much, great things inside of there. And I mean, we've been doing this for, I don't see a timer on my video thing. So I don't know how many minutes we've been doing it, but we haven't been doing it very long. Oh, look right there. Awesome. So the problem I see with this one is it's not transparent, but it'll work. The landscaping guru, really super simple. And I could say, can you size this logo for Facebook? It'll go through, it'll run its code, and it'll do it. Now, by the way, you can click here and you can save that, and then boom, you've got it. So, and then I can download it right here. And it's going to go in my download folder. See if it loads up. Bring it over here because it's on a different screen. See if it actually worked. Oh, look, it's the Facebook size. Wada bing, wada boom. That's how you go through and create a logo very quickly. Inside, you can provide any feedback whatsoever. Then you can take that, you can put it directly right into your listings engine profile, and boom, you go out to 1,000+ networks, and you got it taken care of. You can put it up on social media. You can do that. All creating a logo inside of ChatGPT. Super simple. If you like getting comments like this, if you like getting training like this, if you like learning about marketing and how to be able to utilize software, make sure you make sure you follow us, make sure you subscribe. And if you're looking to grow your business, make sure you visit us at simplybefound.com. My name is Rob. I've been doing this stuff for over 30 years, and I'm one of the co-founders over here at Simply Be Found. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.